Yeah, my name is Aaron Rowland. I am the general manager at the Wonder here in Charleston, South Carolina. Mirage screen systems are a great option for commercial spaces as well as residential for a number of reasons. We have them going up and down 7 days a week that we're open, and we haven't had any issues with them coming off track. We chose Mirage screen systems for a number of reasons. One of them was some of the other research that we've done and other like facilities that said it was a perfect solution for them, as well as being the most economical option, but also high quality. Being a new construction and having such high standards for aesthetics, it was important that we had a screen that flowed with the rest of the facilities.